Hello everyone, welcome to Studitable. My name is Swati and in this video we'll talk about how does a bot attack work. So in the previous video we saw the differences between bot and botnet and what is a bot and how does it differ from a botnet. So if you have not yet seen the video, link is there in the description below. Go check the video out. That will give you a clear understanding of what bot is and how does it differ from botnet. So if we talk about how does a bot attack work, there are different ways in which a bot attack works. We'll discuss this in this video, but there are three common methods that are used. The most three common methods that are used are: number one, the DDoS method, where a server or a system is bombarded with many requests from the botnets, making the site inaccessible for legitimate users. So they cannot go to the website or pass any kind of request because the server is already bombarded with a lot of requests from these botnets. The second type of attack is the spam attack, where spam messages in the form of links, or in the form of any kind of a mail is sent to the server or sent to the user, where by mistake or by any other unauthorized means the link is clicked or the message is seen, then a malware or a malicious software is installed onto the system, where the primary purpose of the software is to gather important information of the user and send that information back to the attacker. And the third most common type of bot attack is the brute force attack, where the trial and error method is employed to crack passwords, gather login credentials and important keys so that unauthorized access on the system can be made and they can get into the system and gather important information, making the system or the organization prone to many kinds of hacking and illegal activities. So in this video, we'll cover in detail how does a bot attack work. So without wasting much time now, let's dive into the video. In this video, we'll see how does a bot attack work. So a bot hoarder, once he has control over a group of devices composing of botnets, they can remotely command each device to carry out coordinated activities simultaneously, which include malicious and criminal activities such as a DDoS attack, where a large amount of requests or payloads are sent to a targeted server to render the service inaccessible to legitimate users. Spam attacks, where tens of billions of spam messages are sent per day, including email spam, comment section spam, for the intent of spreading malware and phishing. Also, these botnets are designed to steal confidential and valuable information like banking details, credit card numbers, etc. Example can be a Zeus botnet that was primarily designed to steal account information from various e-commerce, banking and social media sites. Monitoring, where the user's activities are monitored, which can scan passwords and financial information to report back to the bot hoarder. Spreading the botnet, it will search for vulnerabilities in other devices, websites and networks to spread the malware to other machines and grow the botnet, making the overall attack much worse. So how are botnets created? Well, botnets are always consist of a command and a control server and a group of zombie devices. The command and the control server is run by the bot hoarder, which sends command programming to the zombie devices to drive their next activities. They can also rent the CNC server to launch DDoS attack on its competitors. So there are two types of command and control servers. The one is centralized, where all the command come from the main CNC server, and decentralized, where all zombie devices can send and redirect commands to each other. The main CNC server needs to contact only one of the zombie devices to ensure the command gets relayed to other as well. Then they are the zombie devices. The zombie devices are also called as bots that has been taken over the bot hoarder to be a part of the botnet, mainly due to the malware infection. So how does that happen? Well, the first case is finding and exploiting vulnerability, where a malware is successfully delivered to a user via a spam or a phishing email. Actual malware infection, where the device is infected by malware, is now under the control of the bot hoarder. So that can happen by an exploited software vulnerability or by clicking an email attachment or a link on an already infected website. Then the last step is to take control of the compromised device, where the bot hoarder includes the infected device into the network and perform the necessary configurations to ensure each of the infected devices now can be remotely managed through him via the command and control server. Now the bot hoarder will repeat all of these three phases with as many devices as he wants to grow the botnet size. And these devices can include computers, smartphones, and IoT devices as well, such as cameras, printers, and all the other things. So how can we protect ourselves from these botnets? To protect ourselves against these botnets, we should update everything ASAP, that is to regularly update our operating system applications, solutions, choose the right botnet detection solution that are designed to quickly and accurately detect malicious botnet activity in real time, and educate our users and employees, that is to avoid downloading email attachments unless we are 100% sure of the identity of the sender. Invest in a proper antivirus, anti-malware software that can accurately scan attachments for malware, and avoid clicking on any links on any messages such as on email, text messages, etc. unless we are 100% sure about the sender. Use strong and unique passwords. Always use strong and complex passwords for all your accounts, including admin accounts, to control across all devices that connect to other devices. Anti-malware solution to protect devices against botnets, malware, and other digital threats, and making sure to update that regularly. So in conclusion, botnets are a dangerous form of cybersecurity threat, making them a serious concern for business, individuals, and even governments. Though they can be difficult to defend, but it's not impossible. So if you have a comprehensive solution in bot protection, then you can effectively protect your business or your work to be turned into a zombie device. So if you found this useful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you very much.